moving. Let's go look for our third New York City apartment. Okay, so this is...
Can you just give me your name real quick again, just to fill this out?
Yes.
Wow.
And then put it as agent, and then I'll enter your clients.
I don't... Oh, that's a pretty good view. Okay.
Just take some notes here.
Yes, of course. Look in the closet to see what's in here. Oh, it's locked. No, it's not. Okay.
And the windows are amazing, you can't hear anything.
Okay.
Yes, so no matter where you are,
wow.
even though you have a building right here,
Yeah. But there's good light.
there's still good light.
But yeah, okay.
We're like releasing up to the 15th floor. Right now we're on 13.
There's no ETA on those higher floors yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, okay. Just wondering.
The top.
Things
Do
to
you want
keep
it to
in
be
mind.
client's name or? Because then it asks again if you're an agent. I think that's right.
The amenities are nice.
Okay, so I'll just, when I get back to the office, I'll just
Sure.
put you guys together. Okay, great. Not all that. To make it into a second bedroom, you need?
Or if any.
You only want flex, you want a flex too?
Do you know? Yes. I like the tall ceilings in this one.
Oh yeah, they are taller. Wait, do you think that they're taller than the other ones?
Maybe because there's a furniture.
Building, like the unit itself.
Yeah, they feel like Okay.
So the 14 line would be best for a flex too.
Amazing.
If
Okay.
you wanted to.
The slow flows.
I need to do that. So cute.
I'm actually sending it to front who's going to Columbia and looking, because I'm like this is way down into like 14th.
Oh, okay, so lower. Oh, so like East
22nd.
Village? Again, beggars cannot be choosers. Oh.
Scenario, this is the true room, but there's going to be a wall here as well. This is like extra hall space, mostly for the true room. Yes, because of the way. So it would be one here, so this would only
Yes, so.
1 3 and 1 little feet.
There's no OP on
It has to be 2 years.
Yes.
So what about, sorry.
But you were saying potentially if I could do that option, which you'll ask about.
Probably not.
Probably not. Oh, it's pretty like.
I think it's a twin.
Oh, okay, wow. But I see what you're saying. Like this one does look like a lot newer, like really updated actually. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, but you were saying this one.
1835.
Okay,
The drawback with this one is that it would be a 2-year lease.
okay.
It's not. It's usually pretty good.
Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Okay. I mean, there's obviously marks on like the drywall. There's no like.
Gas stove,
Yep.
granite counter.
Okay, let me look at
Over
everything.
here you can have maybe like another counter. It's gonna be helpful with the kitchen. So
Okay.
there's a full bathroom. It has a
Oh, yeah.
tub over there.
Oh, wow.
It's like a hydro massage thing.
That's nice.
This is such a quirky little layout.
This
There
is.
is a closet here and there is a second one right here.
Oh, okay.
You see?
Okay, and this is the bedroom, obviously. Oh wait, yeah, this is the bedroom.
It's very quiet, as you see here. It's on the back, so there is no street at all. Street is behind the building, so you
Okay.
don't hear nothing. This is the outdoor space, the one I told you. People usually mount bikes downstairs or things you don't want to carry upstairs. Hot water are included. Heaters are adjustable. There is valves you can open and close if you feel. What usually bed is best over there.
Okay.
You can have maybe like a desk over here.
Yeah.
Some guys bring TVs here.
Amazing. Thank you.
I would say this is a very fair price for $24.95.
Yeah.
It's not a real one bedroom. It's like a junior, whatever you call it.
Right, yeah, a
studio,
junior
but,
one bedroom.
It's a good price.
Right.
It is bright.
Table
Oh,
over
okay.
there, and pretty much this is.
What have people used this for? Like this right here? Like, have you
put
seen
high
what?
chairs? Some guys they work from with.
Oh, and I actually like these too. Oh, some of the knobs.
Laundromat, don't forget.
Right around the.
On the side.
Okay.
On the left
On the side.
Groceries are a couple ones on the street over here.
Where would someone put a AC?
AC usually comes in the window.
Oh, you just put okay. Or yeah.
In a walk-up.
Yes, those are actually really big closets. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's like tall too.
Yeah.
And then the underspace.
Free completely this space for any desk or
Right.
anything. Or if you want to have like a computer desk here, it's going to be nice.
Oh yeah, that's true. Like for your feet, for the. Okay.
And over here, the best way to make this room.
The countertops are so pretty.
Yeah.
I love a
This
good
kitchen
This
was
is
done a year ago. They
This is
made
so
a new
pretty.
kitchen.
okay.
Also a window next to the kitchen here, which is good for ventilation. You can-
Oh yes, I said. Oh,
I was happy because everything was put on the kitchen here.
okay.
But still, it is in a good standing.
Yeah, this is that's nice. This is the last video I'm filming in this apartment before I move. I think back to the very first time I stepped into this apartment a year and a half ago. I've grown up so much since then. This place taught me a lot about myself further. I just feel really grateful to have gotten to live here and spend time here and relax and decompress and come into my own, and that is something I will always remember. Goodbyes are hard. Goodbyes have always been hard, and I remember in my very first apartment in New York City, the moment I finally moved out, I did shed some tears. I guess we'll see if we're gonna do that the day I move out, but I just wanted to capture this. I wanted to capture this moment in time, this feeling, this memory. You live, you learn, you grow, you change. This was a chapter. This was a good chapter of my life, of being an adult, of things being hard and navigating them. So, this is an ode to this apartment. Thank you for the past 16 months, and cheers to new beginnings. I'll see you guys in my new apartment. Bye.